Let me get like
Thank you.
get attitude. Yeah, you got like.
Oh.
That's
Oh, this nigga stupid, man. This nigga stupid. He throw a bunch of shit. Yeah, he throw a bunch of shit. Ratchet. I'm so free, cuz. Took my buddy. Took the car out.
Drive to people ain't don't want to eat. Bitch, drive to some party. Drive to people ain't don't want to eat. Thank you, Daddy. For real? Hold on. All y'all. Everybody in here.
Oh, shit.
I don't give a fuck about you being pissed off. I don't care. I'm not trying to help you, bitch. I'm trying to get my bitch out of here. Okay. Okay then. No, the fuck out. We can't right now. Okay, come on. You talking too much. You talking too much. You still talking. You're still talking.
Man.
See what? Talking to him about who? Oh, okay. Your ass always trying to show out. What you need? You always trying to show out.
What's this? I ain't order no meat.
Oh, that's probably his. Which one of me?
You ordered 4 sandwiches?
Nah, I ordered, I ordered 2 sandwiches and a 4-piece nugget and a frosty. That's
You can check them.
I think I just put in one. I think one of them mine with a bacon one. Probably this one right here.
Yes, I'm dead ass for real.
Yeah, that's the bacon one. That's the bacon one. That's
And then
the ranch.
she finna really piss me the fuck off.
Hey,
I don't give a fuck.
I'm missing a sandwich.
Who said you had to be afraid?
I'm missing a sandwich. I'm missing one.
I kill all this shit up in here.
Hey, y'all, nuggets?
All these messy assholes. 1 minute y'all fuck with each other, and the next y'all don't. Don't fucking play with me.
Oh, hey, here goes sandwich. Here goes sandwich
Don't
right
play.
here.
Who do that? Please don't. Who do that?
Oh, I'm missing the nuggets.
my fries?
I'm missing the nuggets.
My fries?
Who do that? You? Not me, guys. No. What are you talking about? Oh, nah, you don't do that. So why you always in somebody's face? Who? That work. It doesn't matter. You don't have to talk to me. And I know I don't. Okay, but you always in somebody's face.
Oh, that's it.
Whoa. Yeah, that's pretty good.
Can I get my large fry?
I know you do. Say that like I said. What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Pensacola Finest.
I know you do.
Pensacola Finest.
You don't fuck nobody, but you always in somebody's shit. Who do I fuck with? Exactly. You just said you don't fuck with nobody, but you been in my face the whole day. You been here. Every time I come around, you in my face. Okay, and I never said I don't fuck with you. You ain't come out my mouth. You ain't come out my mouth.
Mama. Hey, I'm missing a sandwich. A junior bacon cheeseburger with no meat. No meat. Yeah, no meat.
He's a vegetarian, man. Rastafari, okay?
So it's just
Just no meat on it.
Cheeseburger with no meat. Just the lettuce, the cheese, the mayo, everything but no meat. And my large fries, I guess they're gonna bump over there. But,
Hey, let me get some let me get some shit.
Okay.
Damn. I need some quick shit. See some quick.
Hey, let me get a sandwich. Hey, mama, let me get one of my sandwiches like bigger, like on one of these spicy chicken fillets. I don't want the chicken, but you know, just on that bun. You did. It's
Spicy. No, the spicy.
Yeah, I just don't want the meat, but just on that bun. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
All right.
You don't like meat?
No, I don't eat meat, Mom. I'm a rock. I don't.
A wrestler?
No, a Rastafari. I don't eat meat.
Rest.
Yeah.
That's okay. Who had a large fry?
Yeah. Thank you. Hey, I need some like sauce.
Mustard.
Yeah. Let me get some of that chili chipotle. Y'all got that here?
Chili hot sauce?
Chili chipotle, honey mustard,
Honey mustard?
chili chipotle, honey mustard. Thank you. Yeah, I'm get.
Hey, you gave me some honey mustard. That's all I heard.
Ain't no chili chipotle. Y'all ain't got the chipotle.
Yes, please.
Okay.
Ketchup.
Y'all ain't got the honey mustard.
Okay. Chili chipotle.
Oh, okay, honey mustard.
Honey
Cool.
mustard.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about
You
right
want
there.
this?
Yeah, I want that.
Okay.
Right there. Thank you.
So much.
Hey, thank you, man. They get some positive vibes going on up in Wendy's. Y'all up here about to bump.
Mayo.
Damn it. Get some positive vibes. We're going to spread this love. Say, I got a Waffle House. See, I'm ready. I got a Waffle House ready. Got the munchies right now, nigga. Let's go. Hey, you got some like syrup for like breakfast?
We ain't got no syrup.
I need some extra syrup. Y'all got the butter?
We don't serve breakfast.
Y'all ain't got the butter? Oh, for real?
No.
Damn, y'all damn sure don't. So.
You just love Waffle House.
Yeah.
Now I got a waffle.
And what y'all serving?
We gonna make that.
They got Sonny Mo.
Pensacola, Roscoe chicken and waffles. Pensacola chicken and waffles.
That's what y'all need. Some chicken and waffle. Nah, we from Tampa.
Oh,
Y'all visiting here or something?
Over
Oh,
here?
we work up here.
Yeah, we
work
just
in the
working.
medical field, so we just up here.
y'all doctors?
No, we ain't no doctors.
What are y'all?
Inventory specialists. Just count shit.
Yeah, so we just count everything in the hospital.
Y'all look at Baptist and
Oh, is that? Oh, that's the blue light over there. I thought I was tripping.
Oh, you been smoking something.
Got you something else?
Oh,
I can get a larger up. Can I get an upgrade? Can you upgrade me? Like Beyonce?
This? I got you. Don't want no buns.
Oh, I know. I just let her know that you said you was making.
Can I get a little upgrade or something over here? Extra frosted or something? I mean, with like some caramels.
Can I get some more fries?
And like a caramel swirl on that motherfucker too.
I need some more fries. Oh, I need one of those too. I need one of those. And some
Thank you
more
very
fries.
much. You so nice. You so nice.
I want one of those and some more.
No, you can't get both of them. You can get one of the two.
Yeah, I can get both.
You can give me five. I'm probably already gonna be five.
I ain't gonna get some fries.
Oh, y'all thick,
Let me get
man.
one of those and some more fries.
No, you can't get both.
Oh man, then you pick one. The niggas gonna get the fries.
Oh, I need some time. Oh, it's probably in there. I need some
What?
time. It's probably in there. That,
What?
that bacon, that chicken ranch shit. It's probably in there.
Nah, I ain't got nothing. Everything in here is mine.
Oh. Oh, yeah, I am just going.